Apple cider vinegar, the ultimate blood sugar balancer. Discover its hidden power for diabetes management. Are you tired of struggling with blood sugar fluctuations and looking for a natural way to achieve weight loss? Ever wondered if there's a versatile remedy with numerous benefits? Well, look no further. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of apple cider vinegar and its remarkable effects on blood sugar balance, weight loss, and overall health. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is a household staple made from fermented apple juice. It's not only a key ingredient in many vinegar recipes but also a popular folk remedy used for various health benefits. But did you know that ACV can be particularly useful for people with diabetes? That's right! Research shows that apple cider vinegar can help manage blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and even support weight loss. The acetic acid present in ACV has been found to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, reducing the rate at which glucose enters the bloodstream. This, in turn, helps to prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels after meals, making it easier for people with diabetes to maintain better control over their blood glucose levels. Moreover, apple cider vinegar has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity in individuals with insulin resistance, a common issue among those with type 2 diabetes. By increasing insulin sensitivity, the body becomes more efficient in responding to insulin and using the available glucose in the bloodstream for energy. This not only helps in better blood sugar management but also aids in preventing complications related to diabetes. Additionally, the weight loss promoting properties of ACV can be especially beneficial for people with diabetes, as excess weight is often a contributing factor to insulin resistance and poor blood sugar control. Dawn phenomenon and ACV. If you have diabetes, you might be familiar with the dawn phenomenon, the natural increase in blood sugar levels that occurs in the early morning hours. Drinking apple cider vinegar before bed can help counteract this effect by increasing insulin sensitivity and slowing down the rate at which food leaves the stomach, resulting in better blood sugar control. How to use apple cider vinegar for diabetes management and weight loss. Start small. Begin by adding 1 teaspoon of ACV to a glass of water, preferably before meals or in the morning. This diluted solution helps your body acclimate to the taste and acidity of the vinegar. As you get used to it, you can gradually increase the amount to 1 tablespoon. Timing is key. Consuming the ACV mixture before meals can help increase satiety, reducing the overall calorie intake during the meal. Additionally, taking ACV in the morning may kickstart your metabolism and help suppress appetite throughout the day. For individuals with diabetes, consuming ACV before meals can also assist in regulating post-meal blood sugar spikes. Consistency. To maximize the benefits of ACV for diabetes management and weight loss, be consistent with your intake. Make it a part of your daily routine to see optimal results. However, remember that ACV is not a magic bullet. It should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and prescribed diabetes medications to achieve sustainable results. Choose the best quality. To reap the most benefits, opt for the best apple cider vinegar available. Look for raw, unfiltered, and organic ACV that contains the mother, a cloudy substance consisting of beneficial enzymes, proteins, and probiotics. Get creative. If you find the taste of diluted ACV unappealing, consider incorporating it into your meals. Use it as a salad dressing, add it to homemade sauces, or mix it with your favorite smoothies or juices. This way, you can still enjoy the benefits of ACV while masking its strong flavor. Remember that while apple cider vinegar can help support diabetes management and weight loss, it should not be relied upon as a sole solution. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or diabetes management plan. How to take ACV and protect teeth. Apple cider vinegar, while beneficial for health, can be acidic and may have the potential to cause enamel erosion if not consumed correctly. Here are some tips on how to take ACV while protecting your teeth. Dilute it. Never consume undiluted apple cider vinegar, as its acidity can damage tooth enamel. Always dilute ACV with water. Start with 1 teaspoon of ACV in a glass of water and gradually increase to 1 tablespoon. Use a straw. To minimize the contact between the acidic solution and your teeth, consider using a straw when drinking the diluted ACV mixture. This helps direct the liquid to the back of your mouth and reduces the risk of enamel erosion. Rinse your mouth. After consuming the ACV mixture, swish your mouth with water to help neutralize the acidity and remove any residual vinegar from your teeth. This will further protect your teeth from potential damage. Wait before brushing. Give your teeth some time to recover from the acidic exposure. This allows the saliva in your mouth to neutralize the acidity and gives your enamel a chance to remineralize. Monitor frequency. While ACV can be beneficial when consumed in moderation, it's essential not to overdo it. If you notice any changes, consult your dentist. Harmful effects and precautions. Overconsumption of ACV can lead to low potassium levels and interact with certain medications. People with kidney disease, stomach ulcers, and those on diuretics should consult their healthcare provider before using ACV. In conclusion, apple cider vinegar offers a natural and cost-effective way to manage blood sugar levels, support weight loss, and improve overall health. So why not give it a try? Remember to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, and always use ACV in moderation. Cheers to a healthier you!